Ari, one of the most frequent questions I've been asked, in my years as a medical doctor seeing people is how to explain these complex chronic diseases to other people. And I was wondering if you had any wisdom to share in that regard.
You could always draw a picture for them.
I
Like
guess that's what you've done,
that's
right?
kind of what I've done with my film, is
Right.
kind of shown little things. I do have ideas of stuff I'd like to do, which I won't say on here in case it doesn't happen.
Okay.
But I do have ideas of things I'd like to do to show what it's like and explain it a little better with like that kind of stuff with illustration, art form, whether it's video or whatnot. But it's also like dumbing it down to an extent because when you list off a big name like hyperadrenergic POTS, people are like, what is that? And then it's like, well, it's hard to explain it. And so I'll be like, oh, it's blood pressure related. Like my blood pressure goes too high when I stand up, I pass out. Well, why?
Mm,
Well, it's because my autonomic nervous system doesn't work properly. And as soon as you say that, people are like, I don't know what that is. So
right.
it's like, okay, so then it's even trying to, I guess, put it more in layman terms even more, which is just
hmm
my heart and my brain don't communicate and they fight and then I pass out. So that's kind of what I ended up coming up with. So,
And I think that's such a perfect segue to your documentary because we're going to show some of your images as we're talking. So by now, hopefully, people have gotten a bit of a sense how you have tried to explain it to people. And I'm super curious, like, there's one image that really jumps out at me of the body. I think it's like a skeleton, and then you've got these little flame. It's a
oh yes, the
stop
bones.
motion.
Yeah,
Yeah, the bone pain, and you've got all these little fires. And I thought
yeah.
anybody looking at that, like over the age of 4, is going to exactly know what that means. It was so crystal clear and just communicates so well what you're going through.
That took me so long to make. Sorry. I just went back to making it on my desk. It does. It is bone pain. Like bone pain feels like your bones are on fire. It's the only thing I could
hmm
correlate it with, and that's why I turned it into that stop motion because it hurts so much. It feels like my bones are trying to burn away my flesh. And that happens from fragrance for me.